Some of you have previously asked what might happen if you rack up dozens and dozens of penalty points on your driving license. Now, bearing in mind 12 points is the totting amount, which will result in a mandatory ban, unless of course you can show exceptional hardship. But many people have asked, what if day after day you're going down the same stretch of road and you're caught speeding, perhaps unaware or just not paying attention that there's a speed change or of the speed at all? And if you're caught speeding every single day and those points rack up and up and up. Well, this is exactly what happened to a builder called Mr. Strajuru, age 43, who was speeding on the same stretch of road almost every day for an entire month, resulting in 98 points on his driving license. So what did the magistrates decide to do in this scenario? Well, Boston Magistrates Court fined him £10,650 and banned him from driving for 1 whole year. The minimum period for a ban is 6 months, so in this case the magistrates obviously saw it was much more severe than the standard 12 points racking up and banned him for 1 year. I suspect it wasn't more than 1 year because I suspect the mitigation was that it was all in the same month, therefore all part of either the same mistake or the same cluster of offence doing the same road every day for a month. However, he was also given a separate fine on a separate occasion for £800 for driving without insurance. Now, the typical fine for speeding is £100, whether it's a fixed penalty or whether it's in court. But the court does have the option in exceptional cases to reduce this amount, often to £50 instead of £100. But the court can also increase it if you fight a speeding charge and there is absolutely no basis for fighting it whatsoever. Then, in fact, the court might take the view that you've wasted everybody's time and increase that fine. I've also had some questions about laser or radar jamming devices as well, which are not legal to use. In fact, a man was caught with such a device just last year, and together with fines and costs was ordered to pay more than £3,000. Mr. Moore had fitted a laser star to his vehicle, which was designed to prevent laser speed camera operators from establishing his vehicle's speed. Now, the use of such a device is somewhat ironic because whilst it tries to prevent you from being caught for one offence, it blatantly holds you accountable for a separate offence. So what happens is if you're driving through a laser speed trap, the laser device will come up with an error message indicating that there could well be a device on board the vehicle which is preventing the laser from taking a speed reading, in which case the officer is likely to pull the vehicle over, search the vehicle because there'll be reasonable suspicion to search the vehicle, and lo and behold, if they find such a device, you'll probably be going to the Crown Court and you'll be getting a much more serious fine than the speeding would have got you in the first place. So as I say, quite ironic. So there are just a few of the questions raised and answered. Please do like the video if you like this kind of content, and of course make sure you subscribe, and thank you for watching.